welcome back to Newlook. I'm back with another natural homemade remedy. This time I'm going to use a sandalwood powder in this remedy. Generally many of us, not many of us, actually almost everyone wants our skin to look lighter. Those who possess the dark skin always crave to have a lighter skin and fair skin, and those who already have the fair complexion too crave for some more lighter skin tone. In this video, I am going to show the home tips and beauty tips which can generally use to make your skin actually lighter by some shades. So now let's get into the video. Now going into the process, we require sandalwood powder, honey, some amount of curd and a tomato. Now taking a bowl, add full tablespoon of this sandalwood powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of curd and half tomato juice from half of the tomato. Mix this mixture. This sandalwood powder is one of the most easily available as well as widely used in natural skin whitening ingredients to get a fairer skin. Also, it removes dark and patchy marks being exposed to pollution and UV rays. This homemade remedy with the sandalwood powder and using curd helps to improve your skin lighter. The paste must be like this. Now take some amount in the hand. Apply on your face. Actually, you can apply this mask to the entire body. It is very thin like paste, and the seeds of the tomato will helpful to massage well. Removes all the dark patches, dark line, blemishes your skin, lighter your skin. Also removes the suntan, pollution and the dirt inside the skin. Massage for 10 minutes continuously, both in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction on your face, and from up and down on the legs and hands. After 10 minutes, let it sit for another 10 to get dry. After getting dry, wash with normal water. So guys, you all natural homemade remedy at your home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a thumbs up, share with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel Newlook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.